To remove the pleated filters, push from the exterior of the cage until they are free. Place a stainless frame upon the front filter pedestal with the frame's border pointing upward. Dock the front of the cage onto the frame so that the filter opening surrounds the frame's border. Examine the snap clip with seal to ensure the black seal is properly installed as shown. Insert the snap clip between the frame and the filter opening, ensuring the seal goes in first. Position the flat part of the hand tool on top of the snap clip and apply even pressure to seat it within the frame. Place the fine stainless mesh, filter medium, and coarse stainless mesh into the filter opening. The order is critical. If the mesh positions are reversed, filter damage will result. Position the blue and white retainer on top of the components and secure it either by hand or by using the hand tool. Dock the back of the cage onto the rear filter pedestal and repeat the process for the rear filter.